This is part 2 on the new range of interior cleaning products by CarPlan. Today's video will be about Leather Valet. It's hot, I'm sweaty, but I'm still making the video for you. Let's check it out. So like I said, this is part 2 of the 3-part series. If this looks weird or sounds weird, that's because I had to use my phone. My regular camera is out of commission at the moment. So let's have a look at Leather Valet. It says it cleans and conditions leather. It cleans and feeds and preserves all shades of leather and has a luxurious leather aroma. Well, I mean, I think that's a no-brainer. I mean, what else would you want leather to smell of? You want it to smell of leather. So, it's a really straightforward and simple product to use. It's simply a case of vacuum your upholstery. Once that's clear, give this a shake. Apply it to a soft cotton cloth. Good old microfiber with some fluffy bits flying off it. Apply it on generously. Work it over the surface until the cream slowly disappears. When it's dry, buff it off and your job done. Treat your leather every 6 to 12 months to keep it looking good. So this is a cleaner with a bit of reviving goodness in it, and perhaps a little bit of shine to it, a bit of sort of, what's the word I'm looking for, dressing, if you will. So we're going to give this a try. I have half leather interior on my car. You can see this is not leather, this is just fabric, but most of this is leather. So I think we're going to try it on the headrest and a piece on the seat on the passenger side. I've got some masking tape. We're going to do a 50-50 and have a look and see if it makes a difference. So it's time for the verdict. What do we think of Leather Valet? Well, as a cleaner, I have to say it's pretty good, because this is my towel afterwards, and as you can see, it has cleaned a lot of the dirt from my leather. I think this dirtiest patch here is probably from the steering wheel, and that's not surprising because your hands come in contact with everything all day, and yeah, it's not surprising your steering wheel is going to be one of the dirtiest things in your car. So as a cleaner, it's definitely very good. I cleaned the headrests, I cleaned the back of the leather here, I cleaned the front beneath the legs, I cleaned the center armrest and the steering wheel, and I have to admit, I'm impressed because it cleans very well. It's easy to apply, it's easy to use, it's easy to buff off. It doesn't leave any kind of dressing behind. There's no real protectant or anything in there. It's more of a cleaner and a conditioner, and that's good. I noticed it especially with the steering wheel here, because obviously you don't want a slippery steering wheel for safety reasons. You definitely don't want that. When it comes to applying interior dressings, you should always avoid your steering wheel wherever possible. But as a cleaner, this is great. It doesn't leave anything behind. There's no greasiness, no silicones or anything, nothing slippery to make it difficult to hold on to the wheel. So very good there. And that's good if you want to apply a dressing of some sort afterwards. I'm sure you can. But as a cleaner, very, very good. It leaves a nice finish behind. And the luxurious leather aroma is good. It's not overpowering. It's quite a subtle scent, but it makes the car have a nice clean leather smell, and that's what you want. Your leather is clean. You want it to be clean, and now you can smell it being clean, kind of. You know where I'm coming from. So that's really nice too. Again, like I said before, a product which is a pleasure to use is one you're going to come back to. I've used very little of this product. It goes a long way with a microfiber. It does really well. So this is something that's going to last me for quite some time, I think. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe so you don't miss part 3 of the video series, which will be CarPlan's interior valet. I think it's interior valet. And that's going to be about cleaning your upholstery. And we're going to cover that next time. So make sure you don't miss out. Comment, questions, suggestions down below. By all means, share this video if you know someone else who would like it. Also, you can find me on Instagram. I'll put something here. Reach out to me on Instagram. Get in touch. It's my new favorite thing. In the meantime, I've been Sweaty. Thank you very much for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. And I hope I haven't been staring at my own image too much in my phone, because, you know, the camera's here, but my picture's here. And I'm like a peacock, obsessed with their own image.